안녕하세요, 여러분. Welcome to our Korean grammar series. In this video, we'll be discussing the subject markers in Korean, 이, 가. Let's first look at what the subject marker is. 이, 가 is a grammatical particle that identifies the subject of a sentence. It shows who or what initiates an action and the relationship between a subject and a verb. But what's the difference between 이 and 가? 이 is used after a noun that ends with the final consonant, which is called 받침. For examples, 선생님이, 학생이, 소년이. On the contrary, 가 is used after a noun that ends in a vowel. For examples, 거북이가, 호랑이가, 엄마가. Then when should we use the subject marker 이 or 가? In Korean, 이, 가 is generally used in the following cases. The first case is for describing the state of the subject. The second case is for indicating the subject of the action verb. The third case is for presenting a new topic or information. The fourth case is when the focus of the information is on the subject. Now, I'll show you some examples to help you understand each case better. 그 거북이가 빨라요. In this sentence, the subject marker 가 is used to indicate that the particular turtle is fast. 이 컵이 뜨거워요. In this sentence, the subject marker 이 is used to indicate that the cup placed in front is hot. 엄마가 노래해요. In this sentence, the subject marker 가 is added after the subject 엄마 to show that she is the one singing. 선생님이 이야기해요. In this example, 이 is added to the subject 선생님 to indicate that the teacher is the one who is speaking. 옛날에 한 호랑이가 살았어요. This example indicates the beginning of a story by adding the subject marker 가 after the main character, which is a tiger. 그곳에 착한 소년이 살았어요. Same as the previous example, the subject marker 이 is used to present a new topic, which is a boy. So, in Korean storytelling, it is common to use the subject markers 이 or 가 when introducing a character at the beginning of the story. But when referring back to that character later on in the story, the topic markers 은, 는 are used to indicate the topic. For example, 옛날에 한 호랑이가 살았어요. 그 호랑이는 배가 고팠어요. 누가 범인이에요? The subject form of who, 누가, is used when the focus is on identifying the person who committed an action. 그 학생이 범인이에요. Since the focus is on the student who did it, the subject marker 이 is added to the 학생. Now let's practice all the sentences. 그 거북이가 빨라요. 그 거북이가 빨라요. 이 컵이 뜨거워요. 이 컵이 뜨거워요. 엄마가 노래해요. 엄마가 노래해요. 선생님이 이야기해요. 선생님이 이야기해요. 옛날에 한 호랑이가 살았어요. 옛날에 한 호랑이가 살았어요. 그곳에 착한 소년이 살았어요. 그곳에 착한 소년이 살았어요. 누가 범인이에요? 누가 범인이에요? 그 학생이 범인이에요. 그 학생이 범인이에요. That's all for today's lesson on the Korean subject marker 이, 가. Don't hesitate to leave a comment down below if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. 감사합니다.